If you like the video, make a drink and subscribe to the channel.
The SEMA show, held annually in Las Vegas, isn't your everyday auto show. In fact, it's actually a trade show. SEMA stands for Specialty Equipment Manufacturers Association, and the SEMA show offers a chance for aftermarket parts manufacturers to display their wares, whether it's wheels, seats, or superchargers. Still, it can be considered one of the most important auto shows in the country. Unfortunately, the cool custom cars on display aren't something you can go to your local dealership and buy. Many manufacturers go all out building custom cars just for the show and the exposure it will net them. However, many of the custom cars built for SEMA are never seen again after the show ends. Barn finds unearthed this former 2004 SEMA show vehicle being sold on eBay in Washington state. This black and orange, Harley-Davidson-themed creation was built by Ford for the 2004 SEMA show. Ford, like many other car manufacturers, attends the trade show the same way many aftermarket manufacturers do, and they're just as eager to show off their custom creations. Starting with a cut-down E-350 Econoline van, a pickup bed was added, along with aggressive off-road tires and a brush guard up front. In case you hadn't guessed, this van pickup hybrid is four-wheel drive. Unfortunately, the bed looks a little too small to carry anything bigger than a tricycle. The E-350 is powered by a supercharged 6.8-liter V10, though, so it's the ultimate tow vehicle for a toy box trailer filled with Harleys. While many show car builds are not as good as they look on the surface, this trick truck looks top-notch. Despite being 15 years old, it still looks fresh and new. A testament to the fact that it was built by Ford and not rushed together by some small custom shop trying to make a name for themselves. There's no popping Bondo, peeling paint, or drooping interior panels. With less than 600 miles driven since it was built, it has been carefully preserved for the past 15 years. Of course, craftsmanship comes with a price. The current owner is asking a whopping $125,000 for this ex-SEMA show truck. But they are taking offers. What would you pay for this one-of-a-kind ex-show truck? Let us know in the comments below.